In my morning analysis, see, I told you 1748.50 zone should be a good resistance, and below 1740 you can always expect 1731 for gold, and see precisely it is achieved. Likewise for US 30 and US 100 also we had expected a drop, and see 13,020 levels it is achieved, and 33,350 this is the support level. What is going to happen with the US cash session now? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. If you are committing this mistake by not subscribing or not watching till the end, definitely you are missing on the profits. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start with gold first. First we'll look into gold, followed with the Nasdaq 100, and in the end Dow Jones. See, US, if you look at gold, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and hence, yes, but at the same time trading outside the Bollinger Bands, it has got a pullback. At the same time it is trading bearish. The resistance there at 1737 is going to be good, strong resistance. Rather, I will say you can go long only if you see it trading beyond 1740. Beyond that you can expect 1745 and then 1748.50 zone. Directional movement, if you look at, is strongly bearish. If you look at the stochastic, this is trying to look upwards on the hourly charts. MACD is bearish, RSI is oversold. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, it is creating steps. So see, when I say creating steps, it means it can try to give you a larger body, and then a stronger body can come, and then it may try to fall further. However, look at this, it is trying to give you lower highs, lower lows, precisely well connected. If you see it trading beyond this zone at 1737, yes, you can go long at 1737.38, then expect that it may get a little resistance at around 1742, 45 and then 48 levels. Beyond that, if it breaks past 1750, that is a reversal. I don't think so that it will, but yes, it should be considered. If you are long at 1738, definitely keep trading with a stop loss, and it can reverse, and hence till 1750 you have to be cautious. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold. Most indicators are oversold now. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, look at the candle size here, it is diminishing in nature. So from here the fall has started, and now it is trying to stabilize here. Either it will stabilize or it may reverse. Only thing is that if it breaks past this zone at 1745, yes, you can consider that may try to act bullish. Then 1750-52 zone will come into picture, and beyond that it can fly. And on the downside you have to be watchful of 1730. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI is oversold. And on the 4-hour charts, see, after this minor retracement, first red candle, second red candle. In general, we can expect a third red candle too. Let's be cautious. Today it may drop before it looks over to a bounce back. Yes, you can initiate a short entry below 1730, and you can expect it to drop further till towards 1724-25 level, which is a good support. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish, and if you look at the RSI, this is oversold. Hence it has to bounce back. Let's see how far it can stretch. And looking at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see, it has seen a high and it has broken the support at 1745 and dropped since then. See, that is why I say yes, you can go long at 1738, but then expect it to get resistance at 1742 and 1745 levels. Once it breaks above 1745 or it closes above 1745, you can expect more bullishness. Then you can expect 1748 the next support, and beyond that it may fly high. If it breaks 1748, then we may see it flying high till towards 1750-55 levels. I don't think so it is going to happen. It may continue to trade in red possibly. So yes, below 1730 we can expect it to come forward to 1724 and 1720 and 18 zone. Here is a very strong support at 1780-20 zone. So take your positions accordingly. Right now it has already dropped, but it has still got some scope. So considering this, yes, you can go short at 1730 and then expect it to drop for 1724-25 and then 1718-20. Remember 1718-20, very strong support for gold right now. You can take your positions accordingly. Only long entry is above 1738. Beyond that 1742-45 levels will give it a resistance, and beyond that 1748-52 level should be a very strong resistance. If you are long, you have to trail the stop loss till 1750. Only bullishness is above 1750 levels, and till the time, yes, remember it is at 1730 only, and yes, dropping below, you have to keep very tight stop loss and always rather try to trade with a stop loss at cost, because see, it has already seen a drop and it is mostly trading oversold, and hence a bounce back can also appear. Trade with caution, trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. And yes, you appreciate the support, you do become a patron. The subscription fees is hardly anything, it is not even the cost which should worth it, but this is just a motivation for me. So become a patron, or else you can join my signals group, or become a you can learn the art of reading the market, join my mentorship batch. It is you can reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email id is mentioned in the channel and video description. On the hourly charts, now look at Nasdaq 100. It is trying to stabilize here, getting the support at 13030, failing to break past this. Only if it breaks below 13,000, you can go short. Once it breaks below 13,000, it may call for a further drop. Yes, it is at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD is bearish, willing to converge. RSI is extremely oversold. Likewise, if you see the 2-hour charts, it is trying to consolidate a bit before it gives you a move. A retracement on the upside can be possible, but only till towards 13100, and once it trades beyond 13150 200, it will call for more bulls out there. Only bullishness is about 13200 levels. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic is oversold, and it is consistently trading oversold. MACD is wide divergent bearish, RSI is oversold. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see the bearishness is diminishing here, and the previous candle did not carry any specific body here or very small body here, hence it can see a bounce back. Only short entry below 13,000, then you can expect 12,970, 12,950 and 12,900 levels, and above 13,100 you can expect it to rise more, and probably you can expect it to go back till towards 13,150, very strong resistance, and then towards 13,200. The strongest resistance trading above 13,200 will call for bulls out there. Directional movement extremely bearish out there, stochastic oversold, MACD wide divergent bearish, RSI oversold on the 3-hour charts. Likewise, if you see the 4-hour charts trying to take a shape out there, having the support at 13,030, it is trying to trade, but also remember, see, after a little consolidation, it tried to give you one red candle, second red candle, and in general a third red candle can appear, but it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. At the bottom of the Bollinger Bands may get a support here. Be watchful of 13,000 and 12,970, 12,950 zone, very strong support there, and below that we may see 12,920, 12,900 giving it a very strong support there. We have seen it earlier, it may try to come back to these levels. And also right now it is trading outside the bullish channel. Remember this fact, this was the bullish channel in which it was trading. It has come out of this, indicating little bearishness out there. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD wide divergent bearish, RSI is oversold. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts anyway, see, trading below the 20 period moving average, it is indicating that the bears are there. Previously it is traded above these levels, above 20 period moving average with the strong bullishness. Now it is trying to trade on the other side, may get a support at 13,000 levels and 12,970 levels. Only short entry I will recommend is below 13,000, then below that it has to come back to 12,900 and 12,800 levels. Very much possible that it can try to achieve these levels. Directional movement so far bullish, it is willing to cross over for a bearish move. Stochastic is oversold on a daily chart, it can sustain this. MACD has just crossed over, I have told in my weekly analysis also, morning also. This is just 2 candles apart, this is the third red candle, probably it can give you a wider red candle and keep it in bearish trend for a little while. So it can continue to trade with a bearish bias. RSI looking downwards. Considering this, only long entry is above 13,100 levels. Beyond that, yes, you can expect to get a resistance at 13,140, 150 and then 13,180. Only bullishness is above 13,180 levels, 200 levels. If you see it trading above 13,200, you can consider that is a bullish reversal, and it may bounce back from those levels. Till the time it trades below 13,200, we can expect it to continue to drop. 13,000, 12,900, 12,800 levels should be very strong support levels on the downside. You can take your positions accordingly. Currently it is oversold, it may bounce back a little before it looks over to a drop. It can sustain lower levels, maybe 13,100, 150 it can try to achieve, and the drop from there can be expected. Be cautious, it is looking forward to 12,900, 12,800 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Only negation of this fact is if it breaks beyond 13,200, it is going to fly high. Be cautious of 13,200 levels. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US 30 on the hourly charts, taking a breakout here, and this is a breakout candle. Yes, if you see it trading below 33,350, go short, then we can expect 33,250, 33,200. As I shared in my weekly analysis, 33,200 is a very good support out there. Probably we may see it breaking till there if it continues to trade below 33,350 levels. Directional movement extremely bearish. Stochastic is trying to bounce back. It's seen oversold levels. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is oversold. Likewise, if you see on the 2-hour charts, trading at the bottom out there, it has seen a green candle, it has seen a consolidation, and it has seen higher highs here. So 3 candles, higher highs, higher lows. It is trying to trade in this. Be cautious of 33,350. Be cautious of 33,350. If it drops below, we can expect a further drop, as I have said earlier. And yes, you can go long about 33,450. Beyond that, we can expect 33,500, 33,550 to provide a support, resistance, and then 33,600 will come into picture. Only bullishness is if you see it trading above 33,600 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is entering into oversold levels. MACD bearish. RSI is entering into oversold levels on the 2-hour charts. Likewise, if you see on the 3-hour charts, see it has seen higher highs, it is trying to give you higher lows. Yes, you can go short at 33,350. Below that, you can expect it to give a further drop, and it may give you similar size of candle here, almost 150 points. So yes, from there you can expect 33,350, 250 and 200 levels. Very strong resistance there at 33,200 exists. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD is bearish. RSI is oversold here. Likewise, if you see on the 4-hour charts, see the candle is trying to take a shape. Just be watchful of 33,350 levels. Below that, yes, you can expect 33,250 and 33,200, very strong support levels. Yes, it can come back till these levels. Below 33,200, it has to drop, as I shared in my weekly analysis, it has to drop till towards 32,800 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD bearish. RSI is again entering into oversold levels. And on the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. See, this is the 20 period moving average, and on the 4-hour charts and the daily charts, again 33,250 and 200 levels, very strong support levels lies here. Only bullish confirmation is if you see it trading above 33,600, 650 levels. If it trades beyond 33,600, 650 zone, it should be considered as bullish, else it may continue to drop. We are looking forward for it to hit 33,200 at least, and then below that, if it breaks, we can see it trading for 32,800, 32,700 zone. Directional movement is bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic oversold. MACD has just crossed over with just single red candle, and it has just crossed over. This is the first red candle. It may continue to trade bearish. We will look forward to bearishness again. RSI was overbought, now looking downwards, and hence you can go short at 33,350, expect 33,300, 250, 200 till 33,200. It can reverse any point of time. You have to trade with the stop loss, you have to trade with the trailing stop loss. At the same time, as many times you see it dropping below 33,350, you can again take a short position accordingly. On the upside, you can go long at 33,450, but remember 33,500, 550, 600, 650 till 33,650. It can reverse any point of time. Larger resistance zone between 32,200 and 600 can be seen. It can swing a bit in between these levels. Only bullishness confirmation is if it trades beyond 33,600, 650 levels. Only bearishness confirmation, or rather it is already bearish, but more bearishness or more drop can be seen tomorrow and day after tomorrow if it drops and sustains below 33,200 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Till then, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. The next update will be up before the Asia session tomorrow. Just stay tuned. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.